things that you've got to come to terms with is at the very start of the process, the product to market fit. Okay. At that scale, you won't get it right first time. You will not get it right first time. You've got to keep altering things and playing with things and just seeing where the marketplace really takes hold of the product and runs with it. It won't happen the first time, okay? There are only a handful of strategies that will scale. There's only a handful of things that will scale. So if your marketing strategy is writing blog posts, for instance, that will not scale. That does not scale. It will only get you so far, okay? So to get real scale, you've got to use marketing strategies that will allow you to grow the business really quickly.